Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using simplywall.st. Simplywall.st is a powerful tool located at https://www.simplywall.st. It's designed to make financial analysis more accessible and straightforward. Rather than getting bogged down in complex spreadsheets and technical jargon, Simplywall.st presents crucial financial data in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand format. This allows investors, both novice and experienced, to quickly grasp the financial health and prospects of a company. The platform provides a comprehensive overview of key financial metrics, including profitability, valuation, debt levels, and future growth prospects. This comprehensive approach simplifies the process of researching companies and identifying potential investment opportunities. With Simplywall.st, you can quickly assess a company's financial strength and identify any red flags that might warrant further investigation. One of the standout features of Simplywall.st is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those unfamiliar with financial analysis. This makes it an excellent resource for anyone looking to gain a better understanding of the financial markets. Moreover, Simplywall.st offers a wealth of educational resources and tools to help users develop their investment skills. These resources include articles, tutorials, and webinars that cover a wide range of topics related to financial analysis and investing. The platform empowers users to make informed investment decisions based on sound financial principles. By utilizing Simplywall.st's streamlined approach, users can effectively cut through the noise and concentrate on the most critical aspects of a company's financial performance. This allows for more efficient research and helps users identify promising investment opportunities. The platform provides valuable insights into the financial health of companies, enabling users to make well-informed investment choices. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Simplywall.st provides a valuable set of tools and resources to help you navigate the complex world of finance. The platform's intuitive interface, comprehensive data, and educational resources make it an invaluable asset for any investor. Check it out at https://www.simplywall.st and see how it can improve your investment research.